Global climate change refers to the average long-term changes over the entire Earth. Earth's climate has constantly been changing, long before humans came into the picture. However, scientists have observed unusual changes in the past 150 years. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, cloud forests are drying, and wildlife is scrambling to keep pace. We, humans, have disrupted natural systems in the past century as we power our modern lives. Systems such as the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the warming that happens when certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat. These gases let in light but keep heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse, hence the name. Sunlight shines onto the Earth's surface, where the energy is absorbed and then radiates back into the atmosphere as heat. In the atmosphere, greenhouse gas molecules trap some of the heat and let the rest escape into space. The more greenhouse gases concentrate in the atmosphere, the more heat gets locked up in the molecules. For thousands of years now, emissions of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere have been balanced out by greenhouse gases that are naturally absorbed. As a result, greenhouse gas concentrations and temperatures have been fairly stable, which has allowed human civilization to flourish within a consistent climate. This is natural. Without it, the Earth's surface would be much cooler and inhabitable. The burning of fossil fuels and other activities that have emitted large amounts of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. Humans are now enhancing the greenhouse effect by continuing to add heat-trapping greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, changing the rhythms of climate that all living things rely on. This leads to global warming and disruption of the functioning of many dependent ecological systems. Earth's remaining ice sheets are starting to melt. That extra water could raise sea levels significantly and quickly. As the mercury rises, the climate can change in unexpected ways. Weather can become more extreme. This means more intense major storms, more rain followed by longer and drier droughts, a challenge for growing crops, changes in the habitats in which plants and animals live, and loss of water supplies that have historically come from glaciers. These are just some of the impacts of climate change. As the world continues to move forwards without reforming its ways, the climate will become more unpredictable. Country leaders, scientists, economists, or even environmentalists cannot prepare us enough to live in a world without the support of natural systems. The changes were needed yesterday, but hopefully, today is not too late to start.